Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, let me introduce myself. My name is Diana Puspita, you can call me Diana. My student identification number is 21130222023. In here, I will explain material about the solar system. Solar system. The solar system is a collection of celestial bodies consisting of a single star called the Sun and all the objects that revolve around it. The solar system is located in Milky Way galaxy. Galaxies are collection of stars, where stars are objects in the sky that emits its own light. The Sun is the closest star to Earth in the Milky Way galaxy. In 1543, Copernicus proposed a model of the solar system, which this is called the heliocentric model, which explains that the Sun is at the center of the universe and the planets, including the Earth, revolve around the Sun in their respective orbit. This model replaced the earlier geocentric model put forward, which explained that the Earth is the center of the solar system. Component of the solar system. The solar system consists of the Sun, planets, and various celestial bodies such as satellites, comets, and asteroids. The solar system is located in the Milky Way galaxy, or what is commonly also called the Milky Way. The Earth you stand on is one of the 8 planets that exist in the solar system. The first is Sun. The Sun is the member of the solar system that has the most mass. Therefore, the gravitational pull of the Sun is able to regulate the circulation of other members of the solar system and make the Sun the center of the solar system. The Sun is a star because it can produce its own light. As a star, the Sun emits electromagnetic waves, either visible light or invisible. The important elements that make up the Sun are hydrogen and helium. The parts of the Sun consist of the following: core of the Sun, photosphere, chromosphere, and corona. The image of the structure of the Sun can be seen as follows. Description of the part of the Sun. The first is core of the Sun. The Sun's core is composed of every dense gas. The Sun core is located in the deepest part of the Sun and is the center for producing solar energy. This part has the hottest temperature compared to other parts of the Sun. The temperature is above 15 million Kelvin. The reaction of the Sun core is known as a fusion reaction, which is the reaction of combining hydrogen nuclei into helium nuclei that produces energy. The table below shows the mass, diameter, volume, area, and temperature value of the Sun's surface. The second is the photosphere. The photosphere is the outermost layer of the Sun and looks radiant. The temperature of this layer is approximately 6,000 degrees Celsius. The photosphere is about 350 km thick. The sweeter photo is composed of hydrogen, helium, carbon, oxygen, nitrogen, and neon. The third is chromosphere. This layer is considered the Sun's atmosphere. The chromosphere is also known as the color bulb. Most are composed of hydrogen. The chromosphere is 16,000 km thick and has a temperature of approximately 10,000 degrees Celsius. The last is corona. The corona is also called the crown of the Sun because it is a beautiful halo of white light. The corona is hotter than the chromosphere. Its temperature is about 2 million Kelvin. The thickness of the corona layer reaches 2.5 million km. The corona is seen during a total solar eclipse. To observe the corona, you can use a special telescope called a coronagraph. Interesting event that occurs on the Sun include: the first is granules. The surface of the Sun looks like lump. This is caused by hot gas bursts from the Sun core. These clumps are commonly called granules. The size of the granules ranges from 970 to 29,000 km. The second is sunspot. This low temperature surface of the Sun appears to be a darker color than the surrounding area. This dark area is called the sunspot. The third is prominence. Prominence is a hot gas hidden from the chromosphere. Second is asteroid. Asteroids are celestial bodies that revolve around the Sun, which orbit mostly between the planets Mars and Jupiter. Asteroids are celestial bodies that accompany small planets. Thousands of asteroids. Asteroids are formed by small objects, frozen gas, and dust. Most asteroids are 1.6 km in diameter. The large asteroid is named Ceres with a diameter of about 940 km. Asteroids that circulate together and from groups such as the Hirayama group. Characteristics of asteroids. Below are the characteristic positioned by asteroids, including the following: I coming from dust and ice. The research also mentioned that these asteroids come from dust and ice, dust that was frozen by us, making it petrified. This asteroid is a solid celestial body, so that when it enters the Earth's atmosphere it will cause spark, and when it reaches the Earth's surface it will cause an impact, and of course it will cause damage. B. Does not produce its own light. This asteroid cannot produce its own light but can only reflect light from the Sun. C. It is no bigger than a dwarf planet. In speech, this asteroid has various sizes and shapes, but its size is no larger than the planet in the solar system. Its size is less than 1 kilometer to more than 1 kilometer and has a large number. D. Location between the orbit of Mars and Jupiter. In the solar system in general, there are many asteroids in orbit between the planet Mars and Jupiter, with a very large number. So the orbit between Mars and Jupiter is often referred to as the asteroid belt. E. Contains iron and nickel. This asteroid consists of rock or metal such as nickel and iron. This is why this asteroid is a very dense celestial body. F. The surface of Roxy. Because this asteroid is a solid celestial body, its surface is rocky and irregular, so it has a variety of shapes. Classification or type of asteroid. Below is a classification or grouping of asteroids based on their constituent material, including the following. The first, Class C asteroid. This is outside the Earth belt. The color of this Class C asteroid is dark and its composition is mostly carbon. The second is Class D asteroid, also known as Jupiter Trojan asteroid, are dark in color and are composed of carbon. The third, Class S asteroid, located in the interior of the Earth belt, are closer to Mars and are composed mostly of rock and iron. And the last, Class V asteroid, their orbits are far between the orbit of the planet Jupiter and the planet Uranus, most of which make up igneous rock. That's all from me. I say thank you. I'll end it. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.